Peak Max Vision conventional wiper blades are a great addition to any vehicle. This brief video will take you step by step through their installation on vehicles with hook wiper arms. Hook wiper arms are among the easiest to install because you won't need any of the additional adapters, just the blade itself. First, rotate the back of the adapter upward. Next, push the wiper arm end through the hole in the front of the adapter. Then, pull the wiper blade past the front tabs in the adapter until the wiper arm locks into place. Depending on your vehicle, you should feel or hear a snap or click. Visually check that the blade is past the tabs. But just to be certain you've installed the blade properly, give it a firm tug to make sure it's securely attached. Simply repeat these steps for the second blade and you're all set, ready to easily wipe away the elements with your new Peak Max Vision wiper blades.